Today, I'll walk you through how to follow people on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to add friends on Snapchat so you can stay connected with your favorite people. First, let's get started by opening your Snapchat app. Simply tap on the Snapchat icon on your device. If you're new to the app, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Updates can change the layout a bit. Once you're on the camera page, look for the plus icon. This icon is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will take you to the section where you can add friends. Now it's time to search for the person you want to follow. You can do this by typing in their name, but it's often easier if you know their username. Just enter the name or username in the search bar, and you should see a list of potential matches. When you find the person you want to add, click on the plus icon next to their name. This action will send them a friend request, and once they accept, you'll be able to see their snaps and stories. And that's it, you've successfully followed someone on Snapchat. Remember, adding friends is a great way to keep up with what your friends are doing and share your own moments. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.